Hello, Carl. Wow, look at all this mess on the construction site of the new library. There's Billy. Hi, Billy. I guess he can't hear with all the noise. Hi, Edgar. Hi, Ethan. What's wrong? You look like you're worried about something. What's that? Billy has a terrible cold and should be home in bed? We should go and speak to him about this. Billy! Billy? Oh, Billy, you don't look well at all. You should be home in bed. I see. After you finish piling all these rocks, you have to move that pile of dirt, too? I know you don't want to slow down construction, Billy, but it's not your fault if you aren't feeling well. The library needs to open tonight, but you can't work when you're sick. Great idea, Carl. We can ask Supertruck to help. Okay, Billy, now we found a solution. You go home and get some rest, and don't worry about us. We'll make sure the job gets done. See you later, Billy. We hope you feel better soon. Now, let's call Supertruck. Supertruck! Louder! Supertruck! Where are you going, Carl? Great! Your cave, so that you can transform. Do you know which vehicle you'll transform into? Perfect. A big, powerful bulldozer just like Billy. Ethan, Edgar, here's Supertruck. He will help you out. Here's Supertruck. Can you please push all of these rocks into a neat pile? Wow, that sure is a big pile of rocks to move, isn't it, Supertruck? You're so big and strong that you almost make the job look easy. Now that you've finished moving all those rocks, Supertruck, Ethan needs you to load up all this dirt so he can dump it on the front lawn of the library. That's where the grass and plants will go. Good job, guys. Now you and Edgar can help spread the dirt on the lawn, Supertruck. There! That looks fabulous! That was great teamwork. Look how wonderful the library looks. I think your work here is done. No? Why not? Perfect. Now everyone will know that the library is finished. Thank you again for your help today. See you next time. Hey, Amber. Busy day ahead? Need some help? Yes? Lily, the bus driver, is on her way to help deliver the medicines to the school? No? No one can find Lily? Lily has mysteriously disappeared? That's awful, Amber. We need to find Lily. Let's call Super Truck for help. Carl, Lily has mysteriously disappeared, and we can really use your help to find her. So, which vehicle will you transform into? A detective truck. That's awesome. Awesome, Super Truck. You're all set to find Lily. Let's go.
Whoa.
Here's Super Truck, Amber. What kind of clues can you give him? That's right, Super Truck. Lily was last seen at the Car City gas station. Hi, Gary. Have you seen Lily? Yes, Hector would know. He flies all over Car City. Hi, Hector. Have you seen Lily? What now, Super Truck? You think you know where to find Lily?
Whoa.
Is Lily in Tom's garage? Look, it's Lily, Super Truck. You found her. That should get Lily moving. Hi, Lily. No one could find you. Why are you sleeping in Tom's garage? The quart of oil you drank put you to sleep? You gave us quite a scare. But thanks to Super Truck, we know that you're safe. Thanks, Super Truck. Don't forget to pick up those supplies, Lily. Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Hey.
What's going on at the construction site today? What's happening, guys? You found a treasure map?
Hey.
It's hard to see where it is without the rest of the map. Henry, do you remember anywhere like that from your childhood? Well, if we're going to find the treasure, we'll need some help. Good idea. Let's call for Super Truck. Hi, Carl. Nice day for taking photos. Look, the Super Truck fireworks. To the secret cave. Edgar found a broken treasure map, but no one recognizes the place. We need to find a way of seeing Car City from above. It looks a bit like a helicopter. Aha! You've transformed into a drone. Awesome. This is great. We'll soon know where to find that treasure. You found a secret forest? It looks just like the one on the map. Let's go and show Edgar and the guys. Here comes Super Truck the drone. He's been taking pictures from the sky. Look. Let's compare the images. We've got a match. It looks like the treasure is near the beach. Come on, let's go. Not far now. We're almost at the secret forest. Well, this is it. This is where the X is drawn on the old map. Amazing! You found the treasure. What's inside? Lots of gold? Well, be sure to share it with everyone. Thanks for your help, Super Drone. See you next time.
Hi, Sam. Wow, you sure did clear a lot of snow this winter. The babies are loving it. Whee! So much fun! Baby Katie is such a daredevil. That pile of snow sure is close to the babies on the mountain, Sam. Sam? Do you think that's a safe place to pile the snow? Stop! Don't go down this side, Baby Katie. Oh no! Are you okay, Baby Katie? Hold tight. You're much too deep in snow for Sam to be able to rescue you. This is a job for Super Truck. Baby Katie is stuck in the snow at the Toboggan Hill, Carl. Can you help? That's great. What will you transform into today, Carl? Looks like a special winter vehicle must be inside. Skis and ski poles. Snowshoes, too. That was interesting. What could that be? Awesome, Super Truck. You're all set to save the day. Let's go. Don't worry, baby Francis. Super Truck is here. He'll get baby Katie out of the snow. Can you see baby Katie from there, Super Truck? Great idea, Carl. Let's take some altitude. Look, there she is. You're going to take the same ramp baby Katie took? Good luck, Super Truck. Whoa, amazing. You're going to use your snowshoes now to walk around baby Katie? But how will you get her out of the snow, Super Truck? You've done a lot of shoveling today, Super Truck. Baby Katie, you gave us quite a scare, but you look like you're having fun. You've had quite a day, baby Katie. Well, the fun is not over yet. Super Truck has a little surprise for all of you. Hot chocolate. How nice! Thanks for saving the day, Super Truck, and for making this an afternoon baby Katie will always remember. Cheers, everyone. See you next time.